by the 49er defense. Snap a bit high, but no issue for Dustin Colquitt to get it down and on its end. Mahomes keeps. Launches down the middle. Hill open. Caught. And they get it. Kansas City. The big play. 20-yard penalty, a first down. First and goal. Pass open. Touchdown. Kelsey. Chiefs are back in it. We got Tyreek Hill right now on Richard Sherman with no time. Field, good start to this possession. Already out to the 32. Play clock is... They're going to let the play go. It's not going to matter as Garoppolo now has it knocked incomplete. Obviously now 2nd and 6. Williams makes the cut. And will roll into the end zone for the touchdown. No flags. But how many players have come and gone? Great players, great coaches for the Chiefs that have not been able to taste this moment. This is picked. Kendall Fuller up to get it. And that will end this game.
Yes, Papi.
One of the keys to Patrick Mahomes is